In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cute tote bag from canvas in just 5 minutes. This is a great project for those who love a quick and satisfying DIY, and it's also perfect to add a personal touch to your everyday accessories. To start, we're going to focus on designing a unique look for your tote bag using Canva, which is a fantastic online design tool. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your web browser and go to Canva's website. Once you're there, in the search bar, type in cute tote bag design. Canva has a plethora of templates to get you started, so this is where the fun begins. After inputting your search, you'll see a variety of templates laid out in front of you. Browse through these templates, taking note of the colours, patterns and styles that catch your eye. Remember, your tote bag is a reflection of your personal style, so choose a design that resonates with you. Once you've found a template that you absolutely love, click on it. You'll see an option to customize this template. Select this option, and Canva will open up the template in a new window where you can manipulate the design to your heart's content. Now this is where you can unleash your creativity. You'll see the option to edit the text on the template. Perhaps you want to add a catchy phrase, your name, or maybe a motivational quote that inspires you. Simply click on the existing text and start typing to make it your own. Canva provides a multitude of fonts that you can experiment with, adjusting the size and color to suit the overall look of your design. As you play around with the design, remember that less is often more. Try not to overcrowd your tote bag with too many elements. The simplicity and elegance of a well thought out design can really make your tote bag stand out. Finally, once you've made all the edits and you're satisfied with how your design looks, it's time to bring your canvas tote bag to life. If you have access to a printing service, you can download your design and have it printed directly onto the fabric of your tote bag. Alternatively, you could print the design onto transfer paper and iron it onto the bag yourself if you're feeling adventurous and hands-on. And there you have it, a personalized cute tote bag designed by you in just a few minutes. Creating your own tote bag not only adds a personal touch to your style, but also provides a functional item that you can use daily. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy making and using your DIY canvas tote bag as much as I do. Happy crafting!